was nice.
Ọmọ ọdún sójà ìsàmà ọtí bẹ́ẹ̀ tí ló bá wọn ní ọdún ìyàgbọ́rọ̀ ní dáadáa bó ló ń tẹ̀ ẹ́ lábẹ́ ìgbọ̀n sí ń dá.
You are countless, and all you can do when you get free time is to shout as if there's nothing to do. Like, as old as you are, you don't know where to sleep when given furniture. You might just be standing. Living. I think I don't even know. I don't need to know how you are because you are in the students. Because you are candidate. You have free time. But instead of focusing on your books, you are in. Now look at this one. Some of you don't know what's at your home. That's the problem. If you now, especially that one, human bursary, not because of extreme talent or intelligence, but because of need. But in one way or the other, you feel like you should just waste your time here, destroying our furniture. So last time I talked about physical chemistry, and today I'm going to teach some. And look at such a situation. Everyone knows that I was coming here, but you wanted me to come here, and then I've come to deliver. So you want me to, first of all, clean the board for the bosses, because now. And is this how you clean at your home? Like, is this how you clean the plate at your home? Is this how you clean? Some of you, I know you live for the church, you don't, yes, actually, that it even shows in how you press time. So the last time we were talking about physical chemistry and people appreciate it, and the topic was done, and I shall be doing a test next Friday for physical chemistry. Next Friday, we shall be doing a test. So today we are doing something more beautiful in chemistry, termed acids and bases. Acids and bases. When you talk about an acid, what do I mean? An acid. An acid. What is an acid? An acid is a proton donor. An acid. No, you just stand up. So you're waiting for me to finish giving out notes, and then you come around the end and that you didn't even get notes. So I just remember, but the problem is you don't reflect on where you come from. Not only that, you are not even writing. Some of you are very serious. So when we talk about acids, I say that acid is a proton donor. And acid is a proton donor. And we are talking about what proton means. So we have different examples of acids. So what example of an acid? No. HCl. Yes. What? You need. What's this? What's this? What's this? What's this? What's this? So I don't think we are about acids. This is HCl. This is a chemical thing. What does it represent? Young man. Hydrochloric acid. Sulfuric acid. Phosphoric acid. So these are acids, they do donate protons. to give off protons. For example, if I have my base A, it can give off, wait, it can give off a proton. A proton is hydrogen ion, okay?
Yes, sir.
Very good. So this is an acid, and then the fact that acids give off protons, those substances that do receive the protons are what we call bases. And so in fact, I'm going to write using my fingers. The amount is here. Yes. So we have bases. I have taken an acid proton donor examples here, right?
Yes.
And this is like so showing how an amino acid gives off protons. Very good. I have a base. Like I say, acids donate, they give off. So substances that receive is what we call a base. So bases do receive protons. So a base is a proton acceptor. Acceptance. Acceptance. I just even wonder how you perform in English. So, examples, I have bases. I have my sodium hydroxide. I have my potassium hydroxide. This is not pop. It is potassium hydroxide. This is potassium and hydroxide ion. Okay? The fact that it appreciates or it accepts a proton from an acid makes it a base. Okay? Very good. So, wait a minute.
Yeah, I understand.
Actually, do you understand? If you don't understand this, do you understand? No man. What?
I never understood that last.
Okay, let me first the last part. Okay, okay. First, okay. So when I say a base, I'm giving examples of bases. Yeah, we shall talk about that. But you might just say, any other example of this? Mm-hmm.
Thank you.
Yeah, that's a very correct answer from an individual who I just don't even know how to describe this. Not some of you, they know it, you see. No, wait. I described acids, and now I'm giving bases, and somehow you bring the acid as an example of this. Sometimes. So look here. So an acid reacts with the base. So when an acid reacts with the base, when an acid reacts with the base, you bring out something beautiful called a salt plus water. A salt plus water. Okay. So in this example, I can use HCl. HCl reacting with it. Why am I putting HQ here? What? Why am I putting HQ here? Aquatic, yeah? Slap that one. Slap goes in. And then give us the answer. H2, it's aqueous. It's aqueous. So here we are forming a salt, sodium chloride plus water. The fact is that we are removing a proton from an acid to form a salt and water. We are removing a proton, implying that we are neutralizing the effect of an acid. This explains why we call this reaction a neutralization reaction. Neutralization. Therefore, neutralization is a reaction between an acid and a base to form a salt and water. Okay? What are you understanding? Look here. I said neutralization. This is happening. I said an acid with the base to form a salt and water. It's a reaction between an acid and a base to form a salt and water. What's happening there? I know. Okay. You know some of you problems stem from home. So,
If they are stay focused,
Is there anyone who finished this part?
Yes, yes.
Definitely, we copy from those, and it was not on purpose because. So, after appreciating that acids do react with bases from water and the salt, we can appreciate the fact that the angle of protons within a solution predetermine a very important parameter in chemistry called the pH. Very important. pH. pH. What's the pH? This is the new term. So pH is the same as the negative argument, the negative logarithm of the state of the concentration of protons or ions. Not the degree of acidity or basicity. That is our mechanical. This is chemistry. So here we say pH, the same as the negative log of the state of ions. That's the definition of pH. Not the other potential definition. So in this case, when we want to determine the pH of a solution, we do find out the concentration of ions and then compute to get the pH. When we talk about the pH, we have 0, 7, 14. This is the pH range of the range of pH which varies 1 in, okay? So 7 means the substance is neutral. Beyond 7 it is basic, or it is the best. Below 7 it is acidic. Okay? Below 7 it is acidic. And now, okay, you two stand up. You two stand up. Here they must be free. Say, don't tell them. Actually, you were laughing. Stand up and laugh with them.
I'm sorry.
It's not about being sorry. It's about your future and just people saying. And you think I can, because now you do your say sorry, I can just let it go. Neutral, base, acid. Good. So, yes, continue laughing. When your time comes, you write it. So, a little bit about the pH, like I was saying, it's the negative log to the extent of element. For example, I can have an acid which is 0.2 molar sulfuric acid. So the pH is equal to, is it negative log to the extent of, and in concentration, what should I put here? No, I say here I put the concentration of ions. So what should I put? If I have 0.2 molar, I should put something like this. So somebody's head says no. This one for you. This is something that's great. Don't you realize that it has 2 protons? So if it is 0.2, don't you realize that if it has 2, it has to replace the concentration of the acid? So don't you realize that it has to replace the concentration? So here it will be 0.4. Okay? Then you press the calculator and get the answer as 3.4. So you can do this. Try this out. What?
Excuse me, sir. May I have a question?
Can you hold down? First, you want to copy this exam? First, sit down. You want to bow down? Shout because you want to escape. And the example. Okay, catch this. Catch it. 1, the pH of 0.1 molar nitric acid. Instead of doing your own stuff, you're looking into someone else's book.
Some of you just wonder how you manage to.
I just wonder the level of seriousness. So you enter the relation, they don't even know that you have to do it at all. After that is enough. Someone just show the best. I mean, the candidate will go. Some of you just. And after this lesson, you're going to leave this classroom for 7 days. Because you can't be that unserious. You can just stand on our furniture. You're done.
For you, yourself, yourself. Yeah, it's yourself.
You're waiting to cooperate. Oh, you're sleeping. Oh, now what? Yeah. This boy is louder, but he thinks some of it. Hey, you didn't have 2 minutes. Yeah, that's it. So, for those who bought 2.1, that's okay. Now other ones who got 1.8. And look at, she got 13. Just imagine, I say this is an asset. But she got a PhD that is in medicine. And she proudly represented her nonsense that, yeah, I'm done.
But teacher, we did not want the exam. It was not enough for us to understand.
I do understand.
That's
Even after enough examples. So, okay, if that's your concern, you're going to check back house. We have examples from page, let me see, page 43, 47. I will need those answers. They are around 63 questions.
but without
You know what? This is a good example, and definitely you can use that to attempt other questions. So today we have looked at acids and bases. We've looked at how they react with neutralization. We looked at how to calculate the concentration of hydrogen ions within a solution, what we call the pH. And we are now looking at how the trajectory, or how pH changes when an acid and a base react. So I said earlier that from 0 to 7, that's the acidic pH range. Then at 7, it's neutral, just like this with water. Beyond that, it's a base. This one got 13 for an acid. Very second. So yeah, another acid reacts with a base. We have all things that do transcend, or that do take place. But before going to that, we have different categories of acids as well as bases. We have acids that easily give off their protons. We call those strong acids, while those that give off that partially ionized give off their protons are called the weak acids. We shall start, pick up from here, but don't forget that on Friday we shall be doing a test about physical chemistry. Okay? Yes.
So,